Okay. In this big number square, the numbers in the little individual boxes get bigger by 1 as we travel to the right. When we get to the end of a row, the next number is found at the start of the line below. Notice how the numbers get smaller by 1 as we travel to the left. When we get to the beginning of a row, the previous number is found at the end of the line above. The first number on this number square is 1, and the last number is 100. So you're pretty familiar with a 100 chart, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna look at the chart. I'm gonna ask you some questions, and all you gotta do is find it and then answer it, and we'll write it down, okay? So the first question, what number is to the right of 78?
Can I use a pencil?
All you gotta do is just point to it,
The right.
and then tell me what it is.
Where is the 70? Is there? 79.
79. Okay, how does that number compare to 78? So think about that.
What does compare mean?
Like bigger than, greater than, less than, equal to.
Less than.
So 79 is less than 78?
No. More than.
More than. Good job. Okay, what number is 3 to the right of 34?
3 to the right of 30.
Look at your.
34.
So find 34 on your hundreds chart.
Where's 30? 37.
37. How does that number compare to 34?
34. Bigger. No, more than.
So what's more than?
37. 37.
37 is more than.
What was the other number? Can't remember. What was the other number? 48. Then 44.
34. Okay, what number is 5 to the left of 18?
5 to the left of 18.
So find 18. And then what number is 5 to the left?
No. 13.
Good job. Okay, next you're going to start at 13 and move 11 steps forward, starting to the right on the number square. So start at 13.
Where's 13? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, now it says, where did you end up?
24.
24. What did you have to do after 7 steps? So you started at 13 and we had to go 11, right?
Yeah.
So go 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20.
Okay, now what did you have to do to keep going?
You would have to add.
Well, think about the square. So you stopped here. That was 7, but we need 4 more to get 11 steps, right?
Yeah.
Do I keep going this way?
No.
What do I have to do? Or what do you have to do?
Step down. Like you
So go to
move
the
down.
go
You
to the
right.
next one.
one.
Okay. Go to the next. Okay. All right. You can hold on. This one's kind of long, so just bear with me. Okay. Leave it on the table. Now you gotta look at it.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Find the number. Now listen to the question first. Okay. Find the number 12 minus 5 by starting at 12 on the number square and counting back 5 steps. So 12 minus 5.
7.
So what's your number? 7.
7.
Okay. Find the sum 37 plus 10 by starting at 37 on the number square and counting forward 10 spaces.
Can you read that again, please?
Mm-hmm. Sit up though. Find the sum 37 plus 10. Do you know what the sum means? So when you have a sum, when you want to find the sum, are you going to add or subtract?
I haven't learned about
You haven't learned that?
yet.
So you're going to add. The sum means all together, the total. Okay? So you're going to find the sum 37 plus 10 by starting at 37 on the number square and counting forward 10 spaces.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 47.
Okay? Now you're going to find the difference. Do you know what difference is?
Kind of, sort of.
What is difference? What do you think difference is?
Like the difference in a number or something.
Okay, so would I add or subtract to find the difference? Just whatever you think it is. Mace,
I guess subtract.
you gotta sit up so you can be on
I guess subtract.
subtract. That's right. So you're gonna find the difference 37 minus 10 by starting at 37 on the number square. So start at 37, and then you're gonna count back.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 27.
There you go. So it's just like adding and subtracting like you would in the classroom. Okay? All right, we're gonna do a few more. These are all, have you learned your plus 10s and minus 10s?
Plus 10 to minus 10.
Like counting up by 10.
Yeah, we're learning about that now.
You are? Okay. All right, you gotta sit up, Mason. Oh,
Ow. It's like doing your, what do you mean by that?
I'm just asking if you know, like, counting up by 10. Instead of
Like
using
10,
your...
20, 30, 40,
Mhm.
50. Yeah.
Okay. All right, so these are, you're gonna find the sum. So the sum is,
Add.
adding. So 2 plus 10, and you're gonna use your square. Use your number square. So 2 plus 10, what number are we gonna start with?
2.
Okay, and then we're gonna add
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
what number did we end on?
12.
Okay, start at 19. 19 plus 10.
19.
Use your number square. You don't have to add it in your head.
100.
No. Mason, pay attention.
What do you start with again?
Look, 19 plus 10. So find
19 plus
19 on your chart.
Right? Wait, right here.
Okay, and then add 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How is that 29?
Okay, next one. We'll do one more of these. 20 plus 10. So what number do you need to start on your chart?
20.
Okay, so find 20.
Right here.
And we're gonna add
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30. That was kind of a little bit easier than you expect because there's 20 and there's 10. Well,
Okay.
there's 10 in a whole, 9 in a whole row, and then there's 30 starting over again.
Okay. Listen to this question carefully, okay? Remember how you found 2 plus 10 was 12? Look at your chart while I'm pointing. And then 19 plus 10 was 29. And 20 plus 10 was 30. Where on the number square is the result of adding 10 to a number? So where did you keep ending up when you added 10 to everything?
In the tens place,
Not in the tens place. Look at your square. So if I added 10 to 2, and then 19 to 20, or 10 to 20, 10 to 19, where did I keep ending up?
in the same row. Wait, no, by twos.
You were close, not the same row. What's up and down? Start with a C. In the same
Column.
So you were in this, you end up just one below in the same column,
and like
right?
this, that, and then this, that, and then.